Yes, today we're going to be looking at how you can earn 1,000 US dollars using two platforms that are very familiar with you. That is YouTube and Facebook. Did you know that over 51 million content creators rely on platforms like YouTube and Facebook as their primary source of income? I'm sure some of you knew that most people rely on it, but you didn't know to the extent of this analysis to reach that big number of people to rely on these two platforms. That's a massive shift, you guys, in how people are making money today. If you're looking for a way to earn 1,000 a month online, you are in the right place. YouTube and Facebook are two of the best platforms to get started with in this video. In this video, you guys, I'll break down simple proven strategies to make this 1,000 monthly that I've used, that I've seen my friends use, and we have always talked about them. So debunk common misconceptions, and among of them, I'm going to be also making you know these misconceptions of making money online, and we explore strategies that work for content creators just like me, the way they are working for me, and also the way they can work for you. So in this, before we dive into it, I would love to say thank you to every person that has been there for Immaculate Show, that you come every day. You are really wonderful. Thanks for being part of us. Our main goal is to make sure that we inspire you use that smartphone. Our main goal is to make sure that we promote love by promoting how to make money using the gadgets within us and around us. Let's dive in and see the simple concept of reaching 1,000 monthly, because most people always talk about it. I even in particular, I can come here and I talk about we can make money $1,000 month on Facebook and YouTube, but most people don't have the concept. Most people don't have the ways to go about it. So we are bringing for you making money on YouTube and Facebook is not a rocket science at all. If you're there and here we are talking about it, you are going to go and start and drop down immediately. A lot of people have dropped down because they thought it's just miracle. You just reach and make money. No, it's all about consistency and it's about value. Whether you're a content creator, whether you're a affiliate marketer, or you're someone looking to cash in on when you want to cash in on ad revenue, that is amount of money that we get when they press adverts on your videos. The opportunities are endless, you guys. Both platforms offer user-friendly monetization method that anyone can start with. Even with a little capital, with little no investment upfront, they are simple concepts. I'm talking about little investment because I'm sure someone is going to say, but Kristen, you're saying it's free money. How come you're talking about little upfront? You have to put some money in buying your gadgets. You have to put some money in making sure you can travel around. You can buy a microphone, or else you can even buy a camera. That's what I mean. You can have a ring light, something like that. That's what I mean. So there are very simple three concepts that I always talk about it, but today we want to go into details. The first concept is to create consistent content. It should not only be consistent content, but it should also be variable to people. Let it have a reason for someone to come and say, no, I'm going to watch this content till the end. The second one is engage your audience by solving problems or entertaining them. These are two most things I always talk about them. Why should we come there? Why should we come to Immaculate Show? If it can't wind space up by making me laugh, by making me entertained, then I should be solving a problem somewhere in one way or the other. Then the third concept is to monetize my traffic or your traffic. You can monetize your traffic through ads. You can monetize your traffic through affiliate links. We have talked about this. And you can also monetize your traffic by sponsored posts. By applying these three basics, you're reaching 1,000 monthly becomes very realistic and very easy for you to hit. Before that, you guys, it's not as simple as we are saying it. There are a lot of misconceptions about making money online. There are a lot of rumors, there are a lot of things that discourage or encourage you. So, but let's see, what do people talk about? What are the misconceptions about making money online? A lot of people think making money online is quick and easy. or that you need millions of followers to earn a decent income. The truth, very truth, and get it from me, the person who has less than 1 million, talk less than 500,000 of followers or of subscribers. The truth is that you don't need to go viral. You don't need to have massive subscriber base. You don't need to have all that subscriber base and followers for you to start earning good money or reasonable money on YouTube, on Facebook. Many content creators with as little as 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or even few thousand followers on Facebook are pulling over 1,000 every month. The key to them, or the key they have gotten, is focus, and they're focused on their audience. They are even focused on their followers to build a base that really appreciates them. So get to know that the key is to focus on building engaged followers who can care about what you offer and what you post. Quality always beats everything. Quality beats quantity when it comes to building a sustainable income online base, not a fun base. Let's dive in and see strategies to earn on Facebook and YouTube in details. Content creation is one of it, and it is the toppest one. Both platforms, they need videos. Videos are kings. I can name kings and queens. Let me not leave queens aside. Kings and queens in making money. Whether it is tutorials like me, whether it is education like me, whether it is vlog, whether it is everything, consistency is what leads to monetization. On YouTube, you can start earning through the YouTube partner program once you meet the requirements. And when we talk about the requirements, what are the requirements? On YouTube, it is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. On Facebook, monetization options like Instream Ads and fan subscription are available once you build a loyal following. And also, you have to meet the threshold for Instream Ads. The threshold, you have to have 5,000 followers, and you have to have some certain number of minutes watched, that is 60,000 watch minutes, with 5 recognizable videos that have been there for the last 30 days. The second strategy is affiliate marketing. I don't always dwell on it, but here is one way for you to make sure that you make your $1,000. Both platforms are great affiliate marketing, very great at affiliate marketing. Simply promote products that are related to your content and share affiliate links. You are going to make it. Whether viewers make a purchase, you get a commission. And the best part is you don't need thousands of followers for you to start on this. Even a small one, even as long as it's a dedicated audience, you can begin earning. Then we talk about the third strategy and the last, which is ad revenue. This is where I put a seat and I always sit there. YouTube AdSense and Facebook Instream Ads offer ways to earn by displaying ads to your viewers. The more views and engagement your content receives, the higher the potential of earning. But don't forget, it will depend also even the duration. So don't be twisted. If you see someone with $11 million views is getting less, when another one of 1,000 is getting high. YouTubers earn around $3 to $5, even up to $15 per 1,000. We have gotten, I've gotten up to $23 per 1,000 views. And Facebook creators can make similar rates depending on engagement levels. So you guys get to know that you can earn $1,000 on a monthly basis with these two platforms if you use those strategies. But the most effective strategy, you guys, I would love you to do this. Now the strategy that has proven to work for countless content creators is reposting content across both platforms. Here, how can you do it? I've been doing this one, but you have to be mindful. You create long form content for YouTube, and then from there, what you do, you break it down to shorter clips for Facebook. But you have to make sure that when you're getting it from YouTube to Facebook, when you're cutting, they are not violating Facebook monetization and community roles. Then we have cross-promote YouTube channels on YouTube and Facebook pages and vice versa. This is what I do. I promote my Facebook or my YouTube on Facebook. But still, this one, I want you to be more wise when you're doing this, because there is no one who will allow one to bring another one's home in his home to be promoted. So be wise when you're doing this. Use Facebook to engage with your audience more personally. I've seen this, it works more like gold. Responding to comments, running polls, or even going live while using YouTube as your platform for more in-depth content. You guys, do you know by utilizing all these platforms together, you'll be able to double your reach? We are talking about 1,000, but you can do as higher as 2,000. You guys, I know you have done this before. I've done this before. We have a lot of examples who have done this by doubling their money. I've gone up to the extent of making more than that one in 28 days. I know you can do it. Reaching 1,000 a month on YouTube and Facebook isn't just for the pros anymore. Anyone can do it with the right strategy. I've seen it is a right strategy, but most people don't know. They only depend on views. They are only focused on how many views are going to get and how many subscribers. No. Whether you're diving into your content creation or affiliate marketing or leveraging on revenue, please, these platforms offer multiple avenues for income generation. Remember, the key is consistency. This one is what I always put on top. If you can't be consistent on this one, don't think about making money. Engagement is a very great value and a very great strategy. If you cannot engage your people, please don't think you'll get this 1,000 and above. If you start applying these strategies I've given you above, we have talked about today, you could be on your way to hitting 1,000 and above dollars monthly. It might be your goal. If you know you want this goal to be yours, please join me and let's do it. Guys, if you found this video helpful, if you found it fun, if it is entertaining or it is educating you, please, I would love you to go into the comment section, give us a feedback, give us your comment. But please don't forget, like this. Don't really forget to like this video, and if at all you can also forward it to your friends. You can also give it to your friends such that they can get more tips. Please, let's start our journey of $1,000 a month today. See you in another video.